Hey guys, so just done surfing and now I'm at the hanging bridge. I look like I'm in a safari movie. Hopefully I'll get a tan, but I doubt it will happen. So here's the site for the hanging bridge. Hopefully I don't fall. There's the site for the hanging bridge. I hope I got enough clips of me surfing. Nose dived twice, but fun, and I was able to do it on my first try, which felt amazing. Hopefully I get enough clips, otherwise I'll hodgepodge this with the others. Squeak, 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 squeak. Look at that view. Oh my god, that view is amazing. Ice candy. Haven't had one of these since I was 10. Melon. Hi, so I am back at the place that I'm staying at, and we just went back because it's getting too hot to actually enjoy the beach. I got a tan, if you see. Exciting. I actually laugh because it's the silliest tan line ever. And yeah, we're going to stay here until like 4 p.m. or 3:30ish, go to the falls and then go back to the beach because it won't be that hot then. Disadvantages of living near the equator. 1.3 kilometers. Walking 1.3 kilometers. Woke up to go to the falls. Got a strange pain on my boom boom. I thought an insect bit me, but no, it's just from the vehicle that we were riding. No cushion. So yeah, boom hurts. Feet hurts. I just got back from the cove, so feet definitely hurts. Ooh, that's creepy. It's a fork. Scary background. Tarzan, are you there? Can you guys guess where I'm eating breakfast? The beach. Home. Poseidon. I look like a mess, but because of the conditioner that I've been using, combing through it very easy. So I'm just going to enjoy the rest of the beach, enjoy the rest of the day before I have to pack up and